This is how to restore all the deleted application back to your phone. If you have previously deleted any application known or unknown to you, I'm going to show you how you can actually restore that deleted app back to your phone without downloading it afresh. So follow for more updates like this, and let's go to the screen to show you.
Head over to your Play Store here, click on it. Head over to this profile icon, that is my Gmail. Click on it on your own. Now, this is what you will do. Okay, so come over to this very place. As you can see here, manage apps and device. Click on it. Are you with me? Now come over to this angle, this particular one, okay, and click on it, that manage. Now having it clicked, head over to this very place. I mean this particular one, click on it. Having it clicked, now come down to this place, not installed. Click on it. It will now review all the applications that you have deleted from your device long ago. All these ones that you're seeing here are the deleted applications from my phone long ago. To have it restored back to your phone, you just mark the ones you want to restore back to your phone. Are you with me? The moment you are done, then head over to this very point down arrow, this particular one that is download. It will now be installed back to your phone. Now, prevention that you don't want them to be in your phone like this, what you need to do is to head over to this particular button here and then click on it. It will not be deleted permanently. One thing you should know is that once you deleted an application from your phone, it will still come back here and then be occupying space. So follow this means to delete it permanently, and then follow this means to reinstall the application. So if you find this useful, do it to share for others to benefit. See you in my next tutorial.